Hello. Here's a script on how to make money on YouTube. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money on YouTube. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms on the internet, and it's a great way to earn some extra income. So, if you're interested in making money on YouTube, keep watching. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. The first step to making money on YouTube is to create a YouTube channel. This is where you'll upload your videos and build your audience. Make sure to choose a unique and memorable name for your channel. Step 2. Create and upload high-quality videos. The next step is to create and upload high-quality videos. You want your videos to be interesting, informative, and engaging. Make sure to use good lighting, clear audio, and high-quality video equipment. You can create videos on any topic you're passionate about, from cooking to gaming to beauty. Step 3. Build your audience. Once you start uploading videos, you'll want to focus on building your audience. This means promoting your channel on social media, interacting with your viewers in the comment section, and creating content that your audience wants to see. The more subscribers and views you have, the more money you can make. Step 4. Enable monetization. To start making money on YouTube, you'll need to enable monetization on your channel. This means allowing ads to be displayed on your videos. To do this, you'll need to meet YouTube's partner program requirements, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. Step 5. Partner with brands. Another way to make money on YouTube is to partner with brands. This means creating sponsored content that promotes a product or service. Make sure to only partner with brands that align with your values and interests, and always disclose sponsored content to your viewers. Step 6. Sell merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, you can also make money by selling merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, or stickers. Make sure to create high quality and unique designs that your fans will love. Conclusion. So, those are the 6 steps to making money on YouTube. Remember, it takes time and dedication to build a successful YouTube channel, but with hard work and persistence, you can turn your passion into profit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.